Welcome to Techi. In this video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps of creating a Gmail account, your gateway to seamless communication, organization, and access to a world of Google services. Let's get started on your journey to a new email experience. Why choose Gmail? Gmail is one of the most popular email platforms, offering features like ample storage, easy search options, and integration with various Google services. Whether you're communicating with friends, managing work emails, or accessing cloud storage, Gmail has you covered. Creating your Gmail account. Open your web browser and go to Mail. Click on Create Account to begin the registration process. Fill in your first and last name in the respective fields. Choose your desired email address. Gmail will suggest available options, or you can create a unique address. Create a secure password. Ensure it's a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Confirm your password by retyping it in the next field. Click Next to move on. Adding recovery information. Enter your phone number. This will help account recovery and security. Provide an alternative email address if you have one. This can be used for account recovery purposes. Verify your phone number by entering the verification code sent to you. Personalizing your account. Add your date of birth and gender for account personalization. Click Next to continue. Agree to Google's terms and privacy. Review Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms. Click Next to proceed. Congratulations, you've created your Gmail account. You'll be redirected to your Gmail inbox. Familiarize yourself with the Gmail interface and its features. Customize your account settings to your liking. Stay connected with Techi. Congratulations on setting up your Gmail account. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting you started on your email journey. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video useful and subscribe to Techi for more tech tutorials, tips, and tricks. Stay connected with us for exciting content that empowers your tech knowledge.